My name is Val Spencer. I'm 66 years old. I came to Daniel because I had a chronic cough that I've had for well nigh 20 years, and nothing I tried got rid of it. I had nothing. I had x-rays and other tests by the normal GP methods, and they found nothing wrong. So I tried all kinds of remedies over the years, and it just really got progressively worse. So I came to Daniel and had 2 or 3 sessions, and by the second session certainly saw some improvement. By the third session, a dramatic improvement, and I would certainly recommend Daniel to anyone with a similar condition.